increased by $33. That's a very big problem. Yeah. While you were sleeping, who's that? $33. That's not what happened to you. Who want to be chased by $33? Raise your hands! Now, question. What if this group on your left already expanded? Let's call this the Lagos group. Okay? Now, what if on your right, the Abuja group? Because these were all from Abuja, and these were all from Lagos. So expanded already. You're gonna stop them from expanding already, right? What if, so is it possible, if you cannot control the growth already, that is it possible that 20 people will join on the left and on the right at the same day? Yes. Is it possible? Yeah. So 20, it should be that your earning is 20 times $33, right? You should be earning $660. But according to our marketing plan, there is a safety net. What is this safety net for? Safety net is to ensure the stability of the company. Because if you are earning, and I am earning, and the company is not earning, what will happen? Bye-bye. The company will close, right? So, what the company did is the company made a limit. What is the limit? You can only earn from the binary system up to 60 pairs per day. Meaning, 16 times $33 per day. That's close to about $550 or 82,800 naira per day. Mr. Roland, is it okay? Just for load. For everyone around the world. Is it okay? Is 82,890 per day okay for an extra income? How about extra 82,890 naira per week? Is it okay? For part-timers. Okay? We're just starting. This is the second marketing plan. First thing, ladies, sir. You know, can I erase this already? What's happening here? This is an exercise. Why do I erase like this? Because you know, I have an experience in the Philippines. In my early days of seminar, 100 of people are attending. 100 almost. Then I erased, very relaxed. I'm very relaxed erasing the whiteboard. Then when I face the crowd, I'm surprised the 100 became 50. Because some of them left already. Then I erase again. Then when I look, it became 10. Then I erase again. For the last time, when I look, it's just one. And I told that one guy, thank you very much, you're not leaving me. He told me, of course I'm your driver. But right now, even if I erase, sorry last, it's okay. Even if I erase in a matter of 1 hour, because there are security guards there. No, just joking. You know guys, the second marketing plan is this. Okay, please bear with me. We will improve the whiteboard. This is is the binary system clear? Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, the uni level. What is the uni level? For example, I'll get mom as an example. Is it okay? Because I like your, they call that. Okay, what's your mom? Name mom? Queen. How do I spell it? Okay, is it correct? Okay, let's just write the initial. Are you married? You don't mind? Yeah. Why did you take first? She's married. Okay. So Miss Q is married. Now, as I can see, Miss Queen she has a good aura. As I can see, you are a good saleswoman. Yeah? As I can see, you have a good character, good attitude, and you are hardworking. And because you are hardworking, you invited 100 people. And because you are kind and compassionate and have a good character, a lot of people join. Just your husband. What if that happened to you? What if only one person joined your business? Not two. Will you still be earning?
Yes.
Yes, through the Unilevel system. What's the name of your husband, ma'am? If you don't mind? What's the name of your husband, if you don't mind? Harmony. Letter H. Agreed? Right? Okay. Your husband, according to Unilevel, your husband will be your first level. And the one that your husband invited will be your second level. And the one that they invited will be your third level. And so on and so forth. As you can see, is it clear on the back? Yeah. If it's not clear for you, you need to read C24/7, huh? Improves the eyesight. Now, as the level goes higher, the number of people increases. Can you see that? This is it. All the product purchases that your first level downline buys, you will earn 10% from it. Isn't it great? And from the second level down to 10th level, you will earn 5%. Even if you don't have a group on your right, even if you just have one leg. Do you get it? What if you have another recruit on your right? His name is letter A. You will earn another 10% from him, from all the products that he buys. And under his organization, up to the 10th level, you will earn another 5%. Not just that, but you will still be earning $33. So 2 income in just 1 effort. And you know, I made a computation already. There's a computation already. What if you filled up your network from the first level down to 10th level? Meaning, this person invites 2, second level, and these 2 invites 2 again, third level, and so on and so forth, and it reached the 10th level. And they only buy just 2 boxes of C24/7 per month. What if that happens? You know how much you'll be earning? You'll be earning $2,200 per month already. In just 2 boxes. And we have more than 1 product. Can you see it? But this is just the introduction. This is the climax. Do you know Titanic?
Yes.
Have you watched Titanic? Yeah. Do you know the climax in Titanic? This is the climax. Jack! You remember? This is the climax. So listen to me. Okay? Now, this is the last marketing plan. Okay? Please excuse me for my penmanship. My handwriting is really, really ugly. Right? I asked my mom, "Mom, why is my handwriting very ugly? Just like yours." She told me, "You know, son, words of wisdom for you. You know, son, when your penmanship is ugly, it's the contrary of your looks." Okay, so I made my penmanship more ugly. Uglier. Okay? So make your penmanship ugly too. Now, step. This is the last marketing plan. Hello, are you still there? Yeah. You know, in the Unilevel, you can just earn Infinity. Unlimited source of income. The lowest position is distributor. Okay? So, when you're members already, you're all distributors. The second is silver executive. Third is gold executive. And the last is global ambassador. How to become a distributor? Join. You become a distributor. You will have 0% overriding sales rebate. From the first level down to infinity. How to become a silver executive? You need to accumulate 10 points. 10 positional points. How do we accumulate positional points? You know, every product has its own positional points. Every product. For example, a single C24/7 box has 2 points. 0.2 points. So you need to buy 50 boxes. Question, is 50 boxes possible? Yes. The great thing is, you will not do it alone. Why? This is group sales. You will not sell it alone. But if your downline sells more than what you are selling, downline is the person under you. You understand? What if your downline buys products? It will all be accumulated for you. Isn't it great? Second, it has no time frame or no quota. Who is hardworking here? Like that guy. What's your name, sir? Frank. Mr. Frank looks like a very good salesman. Since he's a very good salesman, very good, he sells 1 capsule per month. What if you just sell 1 capsule per month? That's your quota. In 10 years, you will become silver executive. But don't wait for 10 years, okay? Because you can sell 1 capsule per second, right? Yes. You know, this has no time frame. So even part-timers can do the business. Isn't it great? And second is no demotion. If you are already a silver executive and you've been inactive for quite a few months, when you come back at the office, you are still a silver executive. Isn't it great? It's not your hands for it. And another thing, when you reach the silver executive, you will have 10% overriding sales rebate from the first level down to infinity. On top of what you're earning at the uni level. On top of what you're earning at the binary system. Now, as time goes by, your network will expand, right? And as they expand, the reorder sales also increases, multiplies. Then you will be surprised. One day, you will be a gold executive, 100 points. And a gold executive earns 20%. And the last is global ambassador, 1,000 points. 30%. You know, a global ambassador earns normally a minimum of $8,000 to $10,000 per month. Receivable.